everybody, Paul here. It's really important that your serpentine drive belts have the correct tension because they run different accessories on your car's engine, such as the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, air conditioner compressor, or maybe even an air pump. So let's first talk about a drive belt that's too loose. A loose drive belt will not only slip and cause it to wear prematurely, but it won't be able to grab and turn the pulley wheels properly to operate the different accessories. Usually the first warning sign of a loose drive belt is you'll get a squealing sound or the smell of burning rubber under heavy acceleration. You can also get a short chirp or a screech sound when you first turn the air conditioner on or each time the air conditioner compressor clutch engages. Now let's talk about a drive belt that's too tight. If the drive belt is too tight, not only will it wear prematurely, but the bearings on the different accessories will also wear prematurely. Bearing failure on an accessory will usually cause the pulley wheel to eventually seize up and stop turning. Once the pulley wheel stops turning, it'll cause a squealing sound accompanied with the smell of burning rubber from the drive belt moving around the seized pulley wheel. This will cause the drive belt to eventually break, leaving you stranded on the side of the road. And one huge caveat to remember is if a drive belt is cracked, dry, or brittle, it can still slip even with the correct amount of tension, which means it won't be able to grab and turn the pulley wheels properly to operate the accessories. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.